Hello, my name is Will Martinez, and I'm a signal provider for Zulu.com, where there are over 3,000 signal providers, and my current ranking among those 3,000 plus traders and signal providers is 87 in the world. And I'm calling on you today to take a look at my revolutionary charting system, from which I will teach you a 6-week training course on how to use it, where you will be the beneficiary of outstanding returns of better than 80% accuracy. I have perfected my system over the last 5 years, where I've been a professional trader, and I've made a lot of money. I'm currently retired. I'm 42 years old, and I live in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. And basically, my system is a revolutionary real-time trading system. It takes advantage of the smaller 20 to 50 pip cycles, which happen 2 to 5 times per day, while waiting for the larger pip cycles on the 5 and 10-minute charts, which can yield some 50 to 150 pips per day. And finally, this sets up on a weekly basis the hourly chart movements, which will range from 150 to 300 pips a day. Now, take all that into consideration. You could easily have a 1,500 to 2,000 pip week. And here's just to show you some of my rankings here on Zulu.com. This is a 3-day trading history, as I can show you up here at the top. Let me go back up to the top. See here, this is a 3-day trading history. And you can see that in 3 days I did 803 pips. My open positions were a floating loss of 282 pips, for a total net of 521 pips for 3 days. And my average pips per trade is 5.9, which really is a little bit higher than that, but because they take into consideration the drawdown, they subtract that out. And as you can see, my winning trade percentage is 83%. My average trade time is 3.1 hours. Maximum drawdown 0. I have one subscribed user since I've just joined Zulu, one live trader with over 150,000 in account. And my ranking currently is 87 out of the 3,000 plus signal providers. Now, here's a quick glance at my proprietary charts. Right now it looks like a lot of googly gawk, but it's a very simple, easy system to learn, and you can learn it and trade it like a professional.